As we head into the 4th of July weekend, celebrations across the coast include fireworks, trips to the beach, all those backyard barbecues. It's also one of the busiest times of the year for emergency rooms. So joining us this morning is Toni Scollins with Novant Health's Trauma and Injury Prevention. She's the coordinator for all of that. Thank you for coming in. Appreciate it.
Thanks for having me. Good morning.
Now, we know that summertime in general is busy just because people are out and about a little bit more with the weather. Kids are out of school. What makes this weekend different? What do you typically see over the 4th of July weekend?
Well, in New Hanover County, we noticed an influx of burns, accidents related to fireworks, burns related to cooking out using a grill. We see a lot of tourists come to the area. They get sunburns, have accidents around recreational and water type situations. So we see those go way up.
Kind of a fluctuation or sort of lots of different things going on. We've been talking a lot about fireworks. You know, we all know they're illegal to shoot them off here in North Carolina, but even the sparklers and things like that can be dangerous.
Yeah, I agree with that. What I say first is leave the big fireworks to the professionals. Go out as a group, make it a big outing and stay together for that. I also agree that sparklers need very close attention with children. The packaging says that you have to be at least 12 years old to handle them. You need to think about the maturity of the children that are going to be handling that, and that you are very close to your child. Also, something to think about, they get as hot as a blowtorch. So they cause really severe burns if they're not handled safely.
So don't let them just run away from those sparklers thinking, oh, well, they're not the ones that explode or anything. So they're okay, because they in fact are dangerous.
They are very dangerous, especially if they're grabbed by a child that's not paying close attention, because it can cause circumferential burns on their fingers.
And what about those backyard barbecues? What are some of the injuries you see with that, with people cooking out large groups? A lot of folks maybe not paying attention as well.
Yeah, believe it or not, one of the big places that we see burns happen is folks having sleeves that get caught in the grill and it catches the sleeve on fire. That can be really dangerous. But really, you should be keeping the grill away from the house, the deck, any sort of stairs and things like that, and have a water source available. And one other thing, you don't want to spray water on a grease fire. You smother and cover a grease fire, but you still want to have that water available in case it becomes unmanageable.
Good advice. Also, of course, pay attention to little ones because of the fact that they're going to be running around, having a good time, especially if you're around water or pool, which we've kind of focused on all this week. So kind of remember, pay attention, because we don't want to see you in the emergency room this weekend, right?
That's right. We don't want to see you, but if we do see you, we're happy to take care of you.
All right. Thanks for coming in. Appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.